Hello. Welcome to another week and a new tutorial. In our tutorial today we will learn about tables in Microsoft Word. Watch to the end. 1. How to insert a table. One way to insert a table is by clicking Insert menu, go to Tables, hover the cursor to highlight the number of rows and column desired and click to insert. Another way is by choosing Insert Table option, entering the number of columns and rows desired and click OK to insert. Another way to insert table is by converting text into table. The trick here is that text must be formatted in certain format to this fit. For instance, use space, tab, or any other special character to separate text and define different columns. You can also paragraph to define the end of beginning of a new row. After confirming your text is properly formatted, select your text. Go to Insert, Tables and click Convert Text Table. If the number of rows and columns are OK, click OK to insert. You can also insert table by selecting Draw Table option and drawing your table as demonstrated. Also you can select Quick Table to insert built-in table, or still you can insert table from Excel. Formatting your table. 1. Insert row or column. To insert row, select row either below or above where you wish to insert row. Go to Layout menu. Under row or column, click either Insert above or below the row button. Also you place the cursor outside the right side of row you wish to insert a row below and press Return/Enter key on the keyboard. You can also select the row and right-click to access menu. On it click Insert and insert row above or below. To insert column, select column either to the right or left where you wish to insert column. Go to Layout menu. Under row or column, click either Insert left or right to column button. You can also select the column and right-click to access menu. On it click Insert and insert column to right or to left. Formatting your table. Delete row or column. To delete column or row, select column or row you wish to delete. Go to Layout menu. Under row or column, click the drop-down arrow under Delete button, click the item you wish to delete, either row, columns, cells, or the entire table. You can also select the row or column and right-click to access menu. On it click Delete columns or row, depending on what you have selected. Formatting your table. Delete row or column. To merge cells, highlight the multiple cells you wish to merge. Go to Layout menu and click Merge Cells. To split cell, highlight the cell you wish to split. Go to Layout menu and click Split Cells, enter the number of rows and column desired and then click OK. Hope you have learned something new. Kindly comment below and tell us any more formatting that we can apply on tables. Please subscribe to support this channel. Thank you for viewing. See you next week in another video.